Welcome to Rolling Coal Productions, Life with Mercedes. As you can see, we have three. The newest one would be the SLK 550. The oldest would be the C230. And the middle one would be the C240. They range from 121,000 miles to 223, I believe. They're all daily drivers. At the moment, the silver one is being drove the most. I've owned a total of 5 Mercedes. They are great cars. This channel will have to do with the upkeep, the maintenance, and the modification of used Mercedes, because I'll never be able to afford a new one. Unless someone wants to donate one to the channel, and I will send my information. Thanks, and I look forward to doing more videos.